Hello, I'm Massah Ezenekwe, Director of Admissions here at Salem Community College. Please join us for the Admissions Open House on Wednesday, July 22nd from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. in Davidow Hall. During the open house, students and families can learn about SEC's programs of study, financial aid, scholarships, the Educational Opportunity Fund, and the Mighty Oaks Athletics. Connect one-on-one with an academic advisor, meet the faculty, staff, and coaches, tour the campus and see where you will learn, watch live glass demonstrations, and visit the state-of-the-art Glass Education Center. Our fall semester starts September 8th with on-campus and online classes to allow students maximum flexibility in creating course schedules. We hope to meet you at the open house on July 22nd. Enjoy the rest of your summer.